what's up guys, Tobin here, 5M Family Homestead Channel. Just want to give y'all a quick update on our feeder pig that we bought. We've had her for, how long we had her for now, babe?
Well, we got her the day after, oh no, we got her on my birthday, May 11th, so almost a month.
About a month now. So we've shown her in some of our other videos, but we haven't really done an official update, so I wanted to just kind of show y'all where we're at with her and what's going on. But first, another thing that we've shown in some of our videos is our pool that we got. This was really not a homesteading related, but just wanted to give y'all, kind of show y'all what we're doing outside of homesteading, just to have fun. So we put a pool in about a month and a half ago, and there's the boys swimming in it, and we built a deck for it. So we put a border in, a rock border in around the edge. We built this deck for it. We built this 100% by ourselves. We didn't hire anybody to do any part of it. We put the pool up ourselves and the deck. So I'll walk up there and show y'all what it looks like.
I need to tell y'all something.
So this is if you step off our out of our back door. This is an existing deck that was here. We're gonna power wash this and stain it, and then stain that deck to match as well. Let's walk up here and show you kind of what it looks like. We're gonna build a gate up here. This is just a temporary to keep the dogs out of it.
Oh.
This is it here. We got our umbrella, two folding chairs. What do you call those? Anti-gravity chairs. And that's the pool. So we had our cousins over the weekend, and we were out here at night, and they wanted to be on a video, so I filmed them doing a cannonball contest, and I'm going to show that to y'all right now. Hey guys, we just want to show y'all our new deck at night with the lights on and everything. All right, here we go.
I just got a new phone, so go check out my channel, Caleb Easton. I've not been uploading yet, so I'm about to upload. I got a new phone.
Are you plugging you plugging your channel on our channel?
Yeah, no, I'm just telling them go. So go subscribe too.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1. But I'm saying this. Start me again. 1. For the channel. Yes. Yes. Video hit down. Video.
Oh, what are you gonna help us?
Oh dang. Oh. Holy cow, that's actually weird. Last time.
What's up, guys? We got a bunch of kids here. We're gonna do a cannonball contest for y'all. All right, so as everybody goes, you're gonna say your name, then you're gonna go. Let me turn the camera around.
Okay. Ready, Jordan?
Well, we gotta show you his
All right,
bonus in the
who's going first? What's your name?
Jordan.
All right, go Jordan. Oh, that's pretty good.
My name is Presley.
All right, Presley. Oh, you got
And obviously, you know me, I got y'all 500 subscribers.
Hey,
my name's Easton. Biggest ball.
Yeah!
That's good. I'm Peyton.
All right, Peyton's going.
Hey, you gotta grab your legs. You gotta grab your legs.
And y'all all know me, Reed, the favorite of the channel. Let's see.
Let's go.
Him next. It's him now.
So y'all comment below and let me know who you think won at the cannonball contest. We'll go back here and show y'all the pig now. Mom's over there hand watering her garden. Our onions over there are about ready. I'm about to have to pull those and start hanging them to dry. We need to do an update on the garden too. It's looking really good. All right guys, here's the pig. I don't know what in the world she's chewing on. We made her a little shelter right there. That's an old water trough. It's an old water trough right there. We got a hole cut in the side of it where she can get up there. She's kind of knocked it off. I need to fix that. We put straw down. We've been doing shavings and straw. This is a little feeder that I made for her that's kind of halfway working right here. And there's her feed bowl. And then there's her water that we made. As you can tell, she's making a big mess right here. I'm thinking about getting a piece of particle board, putting over that to help keep her from rooting up right there. What? And this chicken, I don't know what she's wanting, but she's all up in my business. What do you want? What is it, Skylar? Are you going to make her get out of here? Here. Get that chicken. Get it. Skylar, get that chicken. Get the chicken. Get it. Get it. You ain't some herding dog you are. Alright guys, so here's what all is going on with the pig. We're transferring her, or transitioning her over from hog feed that we buy at Tractor Supply to corn. The corn's cheaper, and I've been told by several people that finishing them out the last 60 to 90 days on corn is a good thing. So it's cheaper and good to finish them on. She has a date with the slaughterhouse processor. Shannon doesn't like me to call it the slaughterhouse. She likes to call it the processor. It's more politically correct, I guess. Makes her feel better. But so she's got a date on September the 10th. So y'all tell me how much y'all think she weighs right now. I feel like she's grown significantly since we got her. I don't know if she's doubled in weight, but she's definitely gotten bigger. Y'all kind of let me know what y'all think, how much she weighs. I wish I had a way to weigh her. We're hoping she's going to break 200 before we take her in September. Today is June the 9th, I think. So, was that June, July, August, September? So exactly almost 3 months to the day. So another thing I want y'all's advice on is right there where she is laying and rooting up. What in the world can I do about that? Like I said, I said earlier, I'm thinking about putting some plywood down there. We put some plywood back over here on this side because she was rooting over there too. So, and that seems to have helped. So we've been letting her out in the yard when we're out here. I mean, I didn't think pigs were going to be this much trouble. I mean, not really trouble, but just when you let her out in the yard, I mean, we got a good piece of land here, and she goes anywhere she can go to cause trouble. She's going to go. She gets around the pool and messes with the pumps. She picks up the picnic table when she's scratching her butt on it. She goes around anywhere there's even a little bit of water, she'll start rooting around in it. So we let her out, but we try to stay out here we do stay out here and watch her because she would tear something up for sure. And I think, I don't know, it may happen while we still have this pig, but definitely before we get another one, I'm going to have to line the inside of this this pen with actual hog panels because she's pushing out on the fence all the way around, trying to get, I don't think she's trying to get out of it, but she's just pushing on it, rooting, just messing around. So somebody told me to get a bowling ball and put in there so she can move it around and occupy her. So I need to find one, and I'm going to do that. Hopefully that'll help her. But that's how she's doing. Just want to give y'all a quick update. If y'all have any advice, like I said in the last video, this is new to us, so feel free to share. We'll keep y'all updated as we go, and definitely update y'all once we get closer to that date and when we take her. So guys, thank y'all very much for watching. Leave a comment below, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see y'all again.